Hello friends, today we are going to learn the question answers of lesson number 2 of Geography, Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. Question answers. What is the true shape of the earth? The true shape of the earth is geoid. It is slightly flattened at the north and south pole and bulge in the middle. Question number 2. What is a globe? Globe is a true model miniature form of the earth. Question number 3. What is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? Answer. Latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north. Question number 4. What are the 3 heat zones of the earth? Answer. The 3 heat zones of the earth are torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone. Question number 5. What are parallels of latitude and meridians of longitude? Answer number 5. Parallels of latitude. All parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitude. Latitude are measured in degrees. There are 181 latitudes. Meridians of longitudes. Line of reference running from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines of reference are called the meridians of longitude and the distances between them are measured in degrees of longitudes. There are 360 longitudes. Question number 6. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. This area therefore receives the maximum heat and is called the torrid zone. Question number 7. Why is it 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 p.m. noon in London? Answer. India, located east of Greenwich, is 82.30 degree east, is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So it will be 7:30 p.m. in India when it is 2 p.m. noon in London. Extra question. Question number 1. What is a hemisphere? The division of the earth into 2 equal halves is called hemisphere. Question number 2. What is grid? The network of lines formed by longitudes and latitudes is called grid. Question number 3. How can we locate place on a globe? Answer. We can locate places on a globe with the help of latitudes and longitudes. Question number 4. Write a short note on temperate zone. Answer. The midday sun never shines overhead of any latitude beyond the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The angle of sun rays goes on decreasing towards the poles. As such, the areas bounded by the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in Northern Hemisphere and the Tropic of Capricorn and Arctic Circle in the Southern Hemisphere have moderate temperatures. They are therefore called temperate zones. Question number 5. Why zones beyond the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle are known as frigid zone? Answer. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the Northern Hemisphere are very cold. It is because here the sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore, its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. These are therefore called frigid zones. Question number 6. Why do we have standard time? If a person is going from west to east, will have to advance his or her watch by 4 minutes after crossing the meridian. On the other hand, people going from east to west will have to move his or her watch backward by 4 minutes at each meridian. So, to avoid this problem, the local time of the central meridian of the country is assumed the standard time for whole country. People work according to the standard time. In India, local time is taken as the standard time for the whole country at 82.30 degree east meridian. Question number 7. What are longitudes? Line of reference running from the North Pole to the South Pole. These lines of references are called the meridians of longitude. They are measured in degrees of longitude. They are semicircles and the distance between decreases steadily polewards. 0-degree longitude passes through Greenwich near London and it is called prime meridian. There are 360 longitudes, 180 longitudes in the eastern hemisphere and 180 longitudes in the western hemisphere. Thank you, friends.